Assalamualaikum, here is Hina with English News. You are watching CID News Network Islamabad. First headlines. Fed government mulls legal action against Maryam Nawaz over PMLN ticket remarks. Prime Minister Imran Khan chaired a meeting of the government's spokespersons to mull over a strategy for the election of Senate chairman and deputy chairman, besides also discussing legal options against Maryam Nawaz over PMLN ticket remarks. NCOC to review school opening decision after sudden surge in COVID cases. NCOC meeting held under the supervision of Federal Minister for Planning Development Asad Umar mulled over deferring the opening up of cinemas, indoor weddings and dining in the restaurants amid rising coronavirus cases. Newly elected Senator Abdul Qadir joins PTI. Newly elected Senator from Balochistan Abdul Qadir on Tuesday joined Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf. Forager among two injured in drive-by shooting in Lyari. Shooting at a vehicle in Lyari on Tuesday left two persons injured, including a foreign national. Man attacks brother-in-law with sharp knife in Lahore court. A man attacked his brother-in-law with a sharp knife in a Lahore court. A woman, Rubina, took her husband Shokat to a guardian court over his failure to bear their child's expenses after separation. Cabinet Division denotifies Faisal Wauda as Federal Minister. The Cabinet Division has denotified Faisal Wauda as the Federal Minister after he tendered his resignation from the membership of the National Assembly. Punjab to set up Corona vaccination centers for second phase of drive. Punjab has decided to establish Corona vaccination centers across the province in the second phase of the drive. This is the end of today's news. Take care and stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.